love BTS. I don't like it. How did it happen?
Hello everyone. Welcome back to English class. This is Babushana.
And this is Disa. I am fine. How are you? I think you are all fine.
Okay, you are all fine. Okay, today we practice spoken English. I speak Bengali sentences and Disa translates it into English. Okay, so without delay, let's dive into the class. আমি তাড়াতাড়ি উঠি।
I get up early.
I get up early. Okay. আমি ভোরের বেলা ব্যায়াম করি।
I exercise at dawn.
I exercise at dawn. Okay. আমি ষষ্ঠ শ্রেণীতে পড়ি।
I study in class 6.
আমি বাসে করে স্কুলে যাই।
I go to school by bus.
I go to school by bus. Okay. আমি পড়তে ভালোবাসি।
I like to read.
I like to read. আমি নাচতে ভালোবাসি।
I like to dance.
Okay. আমি BTS ভালোবাসি।
I love BTS.
I love BTS. Okay. আমার অনেক বন্ধু আছে।
I have many friends.
I have many friends. Okay. এখানে চিৎকার করো না।
Don't shout here.
Don't shout here. আমি এটা পছন্দ করি না।
I don't like it.
I don't like it. Okay. কিভাবে এটা ঘটলো?
How did it happen?
How did it happen? Okay. এখান থেকে কেন?
Buy from here.
এটা খারাপ না।
It's not bad.
It's not bad. আমি এখানে ভালো আছি।
I am fine here.
I am fine here. Okay. আমি তাড়াতাড়ি শুয়ে পড়ি।
I go to bed early.
I go to bed early. Today stopped here. See you on next day. Bye bye.